Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to get more EXP fast in Honkai Star Retail. Whether you're trying to level up your characters, stabilize your level, or even your equilibrium, let makes you a grind way smoother in 2025. First off, stabilize EXP. This is what increase your stabilize level, and the best way to earn is through main story quest, adventure mission, and daily commission. Never skip dailies. These are steady for XP and other resources. Second, clacks and covered runs. Spend your stabilized power on activities like cavern or corrosion, golden clacks, or echo of war. Not only this gives a character and material drops, but they also grants a solid chunk of EXP every run. Next, activity events. However, allows limited time events that include XP bonuses or reward missions. These rotates constantly, so always check your events, tabs, and complete everything possible. Now, for character leveling, you'll want lost character EXP materials like travel encounters and adventure logs. These are base farmed from the golden flags, but of memory stakes. So spend the stabilized power here where you're trying to power level your team. Another tip, stimulate universe. You won't character XP directly, but it's great for earning stellar credits and items you'll need for leveling characters and light counts. It also increases your stabilized EXP if you are completing objectives. Don't forget raising your equilibrium level by completing the special trials will also increase the level cap for your characters and enemies. Each increase grants stabilized XP and unlocks better loot across the board. Lastly, login and level up bonuses. Regularly logins and rewards from stabilized level milestones often gives EXP items, so don't miss those freebies. And that's the full breakdown. Use your stabilized power wisely, grind your daily missions, and keep pushing the story to get the most EXP fast in Honkai Star Rail 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment for your favorite grinding spot down below, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a guide. See you in the next one.